Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this part is a design here a sliding jaw, and sliding jaw is very important of this bench wise lathe machine body. And this project is a bench wise lathe machine and how to all parts is assembled here. Okay, today discuss here at first drawing one by one all parts is drawing here, and last is all parts is assembled here one by one. Okay, this is a sliding jaw and this body is a sliding jaw, and how to this body is designed today discuss here. Okay, and all view is you can see here on the screen, and this is isometric view is this body, and all dimension in inches. Okay, and this is a top view and this thickness is a 2.56 inch. Okay, and this is a front view and this all geometry you can see here, and then plane select better is a front view, and then this is a right view is a geometry you can see here. Okay, this body is a drawing this body, and how to this body is a drawing here, and one by one all process is learn here. Okay, and this is a cutting sliding key is cutting here, and okay, all is a this is a hole wizard is used here, and this is also a hole wizard is used here, but this is not mentioned here. And this lecture is you can see here, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student and also a professional student, and one by one is all point is a learn here. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first going to this part, and part is a select here, and some setting is very important, and this is a inch. Okay, and going to plain white, and going to option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, all dimension is set here, and at first select this. Okay, use a front plane. This is a length is a drawing this design here. At first select this dimension 1.5 inches this length, and 0.875 inches this length to this, and this is a and this distance is a 0.75 inches. Okay, and this is a 2.75 inch. Okay, and this is a 1 inches. Okay, one by one is drawing here. At first select front plane. Center line is a drawing here. Okay, drawing a center line this. Okay, draw a line is a this line this to. Okay, drawing a this. Okay, a simple line is a drawing here, and then one by one is all is connect here. Mention this dimension, this distance is a 1.5 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 0.875 inch. Okay, this is a perfect, and this distance is a 0.75 inch. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a this, and also this is a this. Okay, this is a this, and this distance is a all distance is perfect here. Okay, and use this dimension is this is a drawing a line 1.5 inch, and this is use a 0.75 inch, and this is a 0.875 inch. Okay, all is perfect, and then use a mirror, and a mirror is this, and select here this, and select a line. Okay, and okay, and connect to this, and this line to this. Okay, and this line to this is a connect here, connect to this. Okay, this distance is a mention here 1 inch, okay, and this distance is a default value is a 2.75 inch. This is a perfect drawing here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And going to feature and extrude boss and select this. Okay, this is a okay, and this use a 2.56 inches thickness. This is a 2.56 inch thickness is this, and direction is reverse is better. Okay, all is perfect and click OK. Okay, this line is perfect, and material is apply here. This is a nickel, and material is apply here, going to this appearance and metal, and this is a nickel, and this is a perfect. And okay, this body is a drawing here. And next is a okay, and next is a select this face, and okay, and this face is a select here, and a sketch normal. Okay, sketch a normal. Okay, and drawing a this some line. Okay, this is a perfect, and drawing a this. Okay, this is a right view is this point 1.75 inch, and this radius is 1.3 inch and 1.56 inch, and this distance, center distance is 0.13 inch, and this is a 1.19 inch. Perfect. Okay, and select a line. This is a this line is a drawing here, and select this, and okay, and okay, this is a line is this, and okay, and drag here this. Okay, and select a 3-point arc, and 3-point arc is connect to this, and this is a this. Okay, and this is a this, and this is a this, and dimension is apply here. This dimension, this distance is a this distance to this is a full distance is 1.75 inch. Okay, and this distance to this is a distance is 1.56 inch. Okay, and this radius is a 1.38 inch. Okay, and this okay, but this okay, and this use a delete here, and this circle is this. Okay, and okay, this distance to this is a 0.13 inch. Okay, and this distance is a this use a 1.19 inch. Okay, this is a fully defined. Okay, and this line is a this line and this line is a collinear. Okay, perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And the next point is this, and okay, all dimension is perfect, and this is a 1.75 inch and 1.19 inch. This center is maintained here, and this center is this 1.3 inch, and this is this, and 1.56 inch is this distance. Okay, and 1.3 this is a radius. All value is you can see here. And okay, extrude boss, and going to this up to surface and click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and go, this is a okay. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and all perfect is a correct, and going to this and okay, and all point is mentioned here this, and again select this face, sketch, normal. Okay, drawing this point, this line, and drawing this is a perfect. Okay, and some use this line and vertical distance this, and angle is this. This is a cut out line, and this some point is cut out, and distance this is a 0.38 inches. Okay, and this distance bottom 1.24 inch. Okay, and okay, all is perfect. And then this use and then cutout is this use this. Okay, mention here. Okay, 1.38. Okay, this is a 1.38. 1.38. Okay, this, and this use okay, and this dimension is used here. This is a cutout. This value is a 0.38 inch, and this is a 1.38 inch is cut out here. And okay, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is this use going to see, this is a flip side to cut, very important. And then this is fully, and this value is increase here, some extra, and this is this. Okay, some use through all, and okay, okay, this cutout is a perfect cutout. Okay, all is a perfect drawing here. Okay, and this cutout is a very important. And okay, and some select a material is this face and this, and okay, and this face, this is and going to this use a painted, and this is a candy apple red. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and next is use here this face, sketch, normal, and going to a line is a drawing here a center line, drawing to this center line is this, and mention this dimension is mentioned here. Okay, and dimension is this this dimension is a 2.19. okay, and because apply this cutout is a hole, a circle is cut out, and then this circle is a 2.19 inch, and then this circle is a distance is a 1.37 inch. okay, draw a circle is this diameter, this diameter is a this is a 1.37 inch. okay, this two dimension is very important, and 2.19 inch, and this is a use a 1.37 inch. Perfect, and click OK, and extrude boss. okay, and going to this normal, and some line is drawing here this point to this connect here, and use a trim command, and this portion is delete here because this is not use. okay, and going to going to this extrude boss, and extrude boss is apply here this up to surface, and then this is a perfect. okay, and select this face, and going to this material. okay, this color is okay, again select this face, sketch normal, drawing a circle is this is a circle is a drawing here, and this diameter is a 0.75 inch. okay, because this is a point diameter is a 0.75 inch, and this is a cutout. okay, and this is a very important, and going to extrude cut is a this is a mention here this a perfect cutting here, and this is a perfect cutting, and this is a only a this is a use this value is very important, and 1.187 is a perfect, and this is use a blind, and this 1.187 because this is not mentioned here, this use a okay, and okay, this is a perfect cutting. okay, and this is a perfect and again this use a hole wizard, and then use a thread, and again select this face normal, and going to hole wizard, and hole wizard is a this is a state tab. State tab is a use here inch, and tapered hole is a perfect okay, and size is a okay, and this is a size is a very important, and size is a 1 by 8 by 7 1 by 8 by 7 okay, 1 by okay 1 by 8 by 7, and showing this cosmetic size, and some point is a change here this value is a 0.81, 813 is inch, and this value is also mentioned here, and the next lecture is coming soon, then all value is a mention here, but this value is not mentioned here. Okay, and okay, all is perfect, and some point is this, and this is use a blind, and this is a 0.44 inch, and this value is very important. And okay, and uncheck a near side countersink. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a 2.25 inch, perfect, and all is correct, and 1/7, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, all is mentioned here, and going to this position, and this circle is this, and okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect cutting here, but as this use then this, and going to this near side countersink, then this is a okay, and this is this, and this is a uncheck here, and this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, and all is better drawing here, and okay, and this is a drawing this, and this is a cutout is this. Select this face, sketch, normal, and center line is this is a drawing here, a center line. Okay, and this line is this vertical line, going to vertical, and then use this corner rectangle, and corner rectangle is a drag here this. Okay, and some use this, okay, and then define a dimension. Dimension is this, this is a 0.22 inch, and then this is a 0.19 inch, and this distance is a 0.51 inch. Okay, this is a perfect dimension, and this is use a black, this is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and going to this cutout is a apply this, this cutout is a point, this distance is a 0.51 inch, and this is distance is a 0.22 inch, and this is a 0.19 inch. All is mentioned here is correct, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a through all. Okay, and okay, and this use a mirror, and select a plane is a right plane is better, and going to mirror, and select this. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay, all is perfect. And next is a use this, and okay, and next is use here this is a this face is a select here, and a sketch, and going to whole wizard, and whole wizard is a this use a this use this, this is a straight tab is cutting here a hole wizard, and then use a inch and tapered hole, and this value is very important, and this is a 1/420. okay, and this is a 1/420. Okay, this size is very important. And also this is a perfect, and this value is mentioned here. This is a perfect, okay, and this, okay, this is a blind, and going to this 0.63 inch, okay, and this is a 0.50 inch is perfect, and okay, all is perfect, okay, and going to position, and okay, this is a draw here, this one, and center line is a drawing here at first, because this is a very important, and also drawing this, okay, and some relation is a mention here, and this relation is perfect, and going to this, okay, at first select this, define a relation, this distance between this to this is a 1.5, okay, 1.5 is this, and this distance is a select here this 1 inch, okay, this is a 1 inch is better, and a relation is very important, and select this point and press a control button and select this line and this point, and all three is a symmetric, and this relation is very important, okay, and this is a fully defined, and going to exit, and this is a perfect, but this thread is not so here, and going to option, document properties, and image, okay, this is a detailing, and this shaded cosmetic thread is check here, and this is a okay, and then this preview, this thread is a showing here easily, okay, and this is a perfect, okay, and also this is a this use a fillet is used here 2.25, and then going to fillet and select this 0.25 inch, and select this, and okay, and again this is a again select a fillet, and fillet is used here this okay, and this is a perfect drawing here, and okay, 1.13, okay, 0.125 is better, and 0.123 is also better, and this is a 1.25 is perfect, and this is this, and also this, and this all is a fillet is this, and select this, and this all fillet is used here, and okay, all is perfect, and okay, okay, and both fillet is select here one by one, and then going to this okay, all is perfect drawing here, okay, and this, okay, and also this is a back side is this face, select sketch this face and normal, check here, and this is a very important, and this thread is a 3 thread is used here, and this is a very important. Okay, and going to this hole wizard, and at first select a hole, 2 hole and 1 count state type is used here, and at first going to this and okay, this is a perfect. At first select a hole, and this is a inch, and select a all drill size, okay, all is perfect, and size is a, and size is only 25 is a better. Is a perfect. Okay, this is a 25, and going to this blind, and okay, and then okay, this is a okay, at first select this blind, and this is a 1 point, select 1.062, okay, and this blind is used here, and this is a thickness is a 1.062, and this is use size is a 25, and all drill size and inch, and going to position, and position is just select here this okay, and okay, and select a center line, drawing a center line is this vertical line, okay, and some dimension is used here, this dimension is this and this dimension is a select this point to this distance is a 1.19 inch, okay, and select a 1.19 inch, and this distance is this line is a distance is a point, okay, select here 0.31 inch. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and all is better, and this is a fully defined, and okay, and going to exit, okay, and this is a hole is a this full is a select here this okay, and again select this. Next is a hole wizard is used here, this is a tapered hole. A tapered hole is this going to inch, and select here a tapered hole, this going to inch, and tapered hole is perfect, and also going to this value is very important, okay, and this is a okay, and this is a 1/420, okay, this use a 1/420, okay, this is perfect, and blind होता है, and this use a this this is this use this and this is a 0.75 inch perfect, and this is a 0.50 is all is perfect, and going to position and again select this and this and okay and again select this and going to hole wizard and again select a hole and this is a next is this and and then use a very important and inch and all drill size, and then use a 7/32, and this is a very important 7/32, and then use a 7/32 is perfect 7/32. okay, this and this blind is a perfect and this distance is a distance is a 0.375. okay, going to this position and going to this okay, this is this and okay, click okay, all is perfect and correct and again select this right plane mirror and select both 3 1 select 2 and 3. okay, all is mirror okay, all is perfect and correct and select this 0.001 inch and select all face. okay, all face is a 1/1 is a select here, then this okay, this is a perfect and and select this at first select both first and second and select a mirror, this is a red. okay, all is perfect, both is a this and going to this and select a fillet and use here this and going to face this face and this 1/1 is this all face is select here. okay, this face and this face, this face, this face and this face. okay, all is select here 1/1 this face. okay, all is correct. okay and isometric view is this and 1/1 all point is a learn here, and this is a perfect cutting here. okay, and this face sketch drawing this metal is chromium because this is some lighting and okay and okay okay and guys, all point 1/1 is discussed here and you can see here on the screen. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, this is a hydraulic pump project and this part is a drawing here. This is a end plate design and this plate is a end plate and this is a dry plate. Okay, this is a dry plate and this is a end plate, and this lecture is drawing a end plate design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and also this is a front view and this is a right view and this is a top view, and all three view is you can see here on the screen, and all geometry line and all dimension is clearly learn here, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and how to this body is this is a right letter, and how to all process is learn here, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay, this body is drawing here, and how to this body is drawing in a Solidworks software, and this use a okay, this is a very nice looking here, and material is apply here also brush. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct drawing this body. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and guys, this body is drawing. Let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and part is select here, and some settings very important. Plain white, and going to this option, and option is going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and at first select a plane. A plane is a front plane is better, is drawing this body. Okay, at first drawing this sketch is drawing here. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. All dimension is a perfect drawing here. Okay, at first select this is a 29.5 this distance, and this is a 42 is this distance, and 16.68, and this two circle is drawing here. This is a 58 millimeter. Okay, and this is a circle is a radius is 50 millimeter. Okay, select a front plane drawing this body. At first this construction line is drawing here. Okay, at first use a center point arc, and okay, at first center point arc, click this origin, draw a curve. Okay, this is a curve is a drawing here. Okay, and to end point is a select here, press a control button, and this is a horizontal. Okay, and define a dimension. This dimension is a 50. Okay, radius is 50. Drag us. Okay, this is a drawing at first drawing a circle, and this circle is a diameter is a 10 point. Okay, this drawing a circle is diameter is 10.2 millimeter. This is a 10.2 millimeter. 10.2 millimeter. Okay, this and this point 2, this is a drawing a 29 millimeter, 29.5 millimeter. Okay, and This is a 29.5 millimeter. Again select a mirror, and this circle is select here, this plane. Okay, and distance between this two circle distance is a 58 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. And this is a drag here. Okay, okay, this okay, and next is a drawing here. Okay, and drawing this okay, select a line. Okay, at first select a 3-point arc, and arc is a drawing here this and draw this and select a okay this and this point, and press a control button and select this point is a this is a merge. Okay, and this diameter, this define a dimension. Dimension is a 11 millimeter, because this is radius is 11 millimeter is perfect, and 16 millimeter is also used here, but this is a radius is 11 millimeter. And some important points, this line is a drag here, this and this 2 point is a relation is a horizontal. Okay, and this is a very important relation, and a line is select here, draw a some line is a drag here or horizontal, and some incline, and this is a and connect to this. Okay, this is a very important. And this relation is a this distance between is a 42 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this is a 42 millimeter is this use here, and 29.5 millimeter is also, and distance between a two circle center is a 58 millimeter is perfect, and this big circle is a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this also use here, this okay, and okay, and some important point, this this is a okay, and a fillet is used here. A fillet is a 1.5 millimeter, and use this, and also a 5 millimeter is fillet is used here, this. Okay, okay, and both fillet is very important. Okay, okay, this is very nice looking here, and all. Okay, this fillet is used here, this is a 1.5 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter is this radius is 5 millimeter is this fillet is used here. Okay, all is a perfect and correct, and select a mirror. Mirror is a select this, and also one by one is all is select here. Okay, and select a mirror about this line, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. But this is a line is some extra line, this is a trim, and select this. Okay, and okay, but all point is connect here, and also use a mirror about this. Okay, not again mirror about this is a select this okay. About this line is horizontal line and all is a perfect. Okay, all is connect here, all is this is a connect and perfect use here. Okay, okay, all geometry line is looking perfect and correct, and going to this extrude boss base, and this thickness is a this is a 12 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this 12 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this is a perfect drawing here. Okay, and again select this face, sketch, normal. Okay, and again drawing a construction. This is a construction line is a this line is very important. Drawing a sum. Okay, draw a circle. Circle is a this above a origin, and draw a big circle, and this diameter is a 41.7 millimeter is perfect, and this point to this is a 16.68 millimeter. Okay, okay, this a big circle drawing this a big circle is drawing here. This distance between origin point to this center point is a 16.68. This diameter is a 41.7 millimeter. Okay, this is body is a mirror, and select about this about this. Okay, and okay, and connect to a center point. This is a this point to this and again this point to this. Okay, okay, all portion extra portion is delete here. Power trim is used here. Select this okay, and all is okay. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and use a extrude boss base. This thickness is a 2.5 millimeter. Okay, and this use this thickness is a 2.5 millimeter. This is a 2.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, okay, and okay, okay, and again select this face, sketch, normal. Okay, okay, this face, sketch, normal. Draw a center line. A center line connect to this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, okay, circle is a drawing here. This and this is a 10 millimeter diameter. Okay, and line is a connect here, connect to this point. This to this to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect drawing here. This diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, diameter is 10 millimeter, and this thickness, this distance is a 8 millimeter. Okay, this distance is a 8 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and some use trim entities, and this is a select a trim closest, and this is a both is a trimmed. Okay, and all point is perfect, and this use a extrude. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and also sketch and use a extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 2.5 is perfect. Okay, and okay, but this is a this face sketch normal, or drawing a center line is this. Okay, this is this. Again select a mirror is a this. Cut out is a select here. Okay, this is a construction line. This is use a mirror is select this. Okay, this cutout is a okay, but some delete here. Okay, and this is a, and this use a edit and normal, and draw a center line is this. Okay, and select a mirror is all select here one by one. Okay, and select about this. Okay, and click OK, and OK, this cutout is a perfect and correct. And next is of this face sketch normal, or drawing a circle is a this, and one by one is all center point, or draw a circle is big circle is drawing here, and this dimension is a 16 millimeter. Okay, and this is a this use a 16 millimeter is cut out, and this use a 0.5 millimeter is cut out. Thickness is 0.5, and all four select a, press a control button, and all four is a select here, and relation is a equal. Okay, and going to extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 0.5 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this use a fillet, and fillet is a select a 1 millimeter, and all one by one is a select here. Okay, and this is a select here, and this and also this, and this face and this face, and also select this, and also select this. Okay, and 1 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And next is this face sketch normal, drawing a sum, write a letter, and center line is a drawing here. A center line is this drawing here, and again center line is a drawing here, this to this. this line is this okay, big line. Okay, and this line select a text and write a letter. Letter is this AHM 425 40. Okay, AHM 4025, and this use a middle, and middle is a perfect, and okay. Again select this line and text, write a letter. Letter is a CAD CAE tutorial. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and click OK, and OK. And extrude cut. Extrude cut is this is a 2 mm is better, and this thickness is 2 mm, and click OK. Okay, this okay, this some color is used here. This color is a black color. Okay, because this you can say here a dark. And last is a drawing this face normal. Use a hole wizard, and hole wizard is used here this hole, and drill size, and a standard is ISO, and size is a 4 mm. Diameter is 4. This is a diameter is a 4 mm, and this is a blind use here, and this thickness is 3 mm. Okay, and select a position, and position is a this and this. Okay, and some dimension is used here. This point to this is a 45 mm. Okay, and again select this point to this is a 45 mm is this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and okay. Okay, all, and use a color, and color is going to appearance metal, and going to brush, and select OK. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, all point is one by one is discussed here, and all point is learn here easily and clearly. And okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. Okay, and guys, this is a very important lecture. This is a bridge of valve. Okay, and this body is this part is a bridge of valve, and this part is this is this body is drawing here, and this is a isometric view, and 3D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and this is a top view. Okay, all dimension in millimeter. And this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and this project is a very important, and this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is this all body is assemble here easily and clearly. Okay, and let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this body is designed here, and this is a color, this material is a brush, and how to this body is easily and clearly. Okay, and back side is this, and also this thread is apply here, and thread is also very nice looking here. Okay guys, this body is a perfect drawing, and how to this body is design easily and clearly today discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select this part, and some setting is very important, and all dimension in a millimeter grams second. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a plain white. Okay, and going to option is a document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and okay, at first drawing this body, help for this to the drafting. At first drawing this geometry, and this distance is 19 millimeter is radius, and this distance is 14 millimeter, and this distance is 28 millimeter, and this is a 10 millimeter, and this is a 26 millimeter, and this red color 6 is a revolution. 6 this is a pitch, and this is a height and pitch, and height and revolution. This revolution is 6, this turn is 6, and this is a 50 millimeter height. This thread is used here. This 50 millimeter is this both side is a fillet is used here, and this length is a okay. At first drawing a plane is a better is a right plane. Okay, two line is a reference line is drawing here one by one, because this line is very useful and helpful. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a relation is a coincident, and this is a horizontal, and this is a coincident and vertical, both is a perfect. Okay, and at first select a line is a this is a drawing this okay, and perfect and correct. Okay, and drawing this select this geometry is a drawing here, and this curve is a drawing this, and select horizontal line, and this is a connect to this, and this is a very important. This geometry, this drawing simple drawing here, and align a dimension. At first drawing this distance is 19 millimeter is full length, and 14 millimeter is half this length. Okay, this distance is a 14 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 90 millimeter. This distance is a 28 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a okay, this is a 26 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And okay, and also this distance is a 10 millimeter. Okay, all is a black, all is fully defined, then all is a black color means this is fully defined, and all is correct. Okay, and this is a perfect. This is a radius, this is a 14 millimeter and 19 millimeter, 28 millimeter, and 10 on 26, all is a perfect. Okay, all dimension is perfect. And going to this revolve boss base and select this axis, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a perfect. And again select this face sketch normal, and again select again drawing this body, Then this height is 120 millimeter. This is a 76 millimeter, and this is very important. This circle is drawing here 60 millimeter diameter, and this is a 24 millimeter, and this is a cutout is a this 34 millimeter is a this use a thread. Okay, and at first drawing a reference line, again select a both reference line is drawing here. Connect to this reference line is very important, and draw a circle is drawing here. This two circle is drawing here. First is a diameter is 60 millimeter, and second is a diameter is 24 millimeter. And connect a line is a tangent and connect to this, and again select this line and mirror entities and click a mirror about this, and and again select all, press a control button and all is a select here one by one, and use a mirror entities and going to this mirror about this, click OK, and align a dimension is this point to this point. Distance is a 120. And this point to this point distance is a 76. This is a perfect. And this is a perfect and correct. All is a perfect. All is black color means this is a fully defined, and all is a this is a tangent line. All is correct. And this geometry is a perfect. This is a 120 millimeter and 76 millimeter, and this is a drawing a circle 60 millimeter is diameter and 24 millimeter diameter, and then use this 34 millimeter is last, use a thread, and going to this extrude cut and apply a extra portion is delete here. And select this and this. And through all extra portion is delete here, and this is a perfect. And again select a fillet, use here a 50 millimeter, and both edge is select here. And click this is a perfect and correct. And again select this face sketch normal, drawing a circle is this, and this diameter is a 34 millimeter. And this is exit because apply a this is apply a helix and a spiral, and this is a perfect. And this is a use a height and revolution, and height and pitch. Height and pitch is also perfect. And this is a very important, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is a 6 millimeter. And direction is reverse, and this is a clockwise is perfect, and angle is 0 degree, and all is perfect, because this is a very important. Height and pitch is perfect, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is 6 millimeter. All is perfect, and reverse direction is perfect, angle is 0 degree and clockwise, and click and this is a perfect. And again select a right plane sketch normal, Okay, and use a corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle is drawing here, and this distance is a 3 millimeter is a length, and 3 millimeter is also height. Both is equal because this is a 3 millimeter is a length and height. Okay, and this point, press a control, select here and press a control button, and this use this line, select here and use a pierce. Okay, this is a black color, means this is also fully defined, and exit and use a sweep cut, and sweep cut is also select here, automatic select here this profile, and path is a select here this path. Okay, all is perfect and all is correct, and click OK. Okay, this is a okay, this line is a hide, and this thread is also drawing here easily and clearly, and going to this material is apply here, and metal and brush is a polish brush is perfect. Okay, and also this is a select here and going to this aluminum, and okay, this is a perfect but going to this select here and material is a okay, select here and going to this appearance, and this is a black color, means this is a perfect. Okay, also very nice looking here, and also this is a perfect select body and appearance, going to this color and going to this. Okay, okay, this is a looking perfect and isometric view. Okay, all is a looking perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, okay guys, and all geometry and all line is a use here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a part 10. Is this lecture is very important, and this lecture is a valve cover design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Today discuss here, and this is a valve cover design, and valve cover design is very important. And this cover is this cover is a back side, and this cover is this and also all dimension in millimeter, and also this is isometric view, and also 2D drafting is available here, and all dimension is you can see here on the screen, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view. All dimension you can see here easily and clearly, and this all dimension is a help of all this body is design. And this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is separate one by one is drawing here, and last is this body is assemble here. Okay, this body is design, and this body is a valve cover design, and how to this body is easily and clearly is a drawing here. And today discuss here a very important lecture, and this lecture is very important for a beginner, a student, and also professional student is also better, and all is looking perfect. And both side is you can see here on the screen. This is a very nice looking here, and the material is a brush. Okay, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly to discuss here. Let's start here this body is design. At first some setting is very important. First is this use a plain white and this going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, and at first select right plane is better, and right plane all dimension you can see here on the screen. And this a simple geometry is drawing here, and a big diameter radius is a 138 mm, and this is a 88 mm, and this radius is 81 mm distance, and this is a 35 mm, and this is a 28 mm, and this distance is 47 mm, and this is a length is a 22 mm, and this is 6 mm is this, and 6 mm is this, and 14 mm is this, and this is distance is a 48 mm. Okay, and this is a 60-degree angle. Okay, at first select a right plane. At first drawing a 2 reference line, because this reference line is very useful. Okay, and select again a reference line. This is a horizontal, and this is a horizontal line, and this is a vertical line. 2 reference line is drawing here, and click a line and draw a simple geometry is drawing here, because this geometry is a very useful this body is design. Okay, and this is a perfect, and okay, and this is a simple. Okay, this is a simple geometry is a drawing here. This curve is a drawing here. This not any relation. Okay, this is a perfect. This drawing here. Okay, and any this line is a this this is a okay, and this to connect to this. Okay, this is a simple geometry drawing here, and mention all dimension. At first drawing this point, and this line is a drawing here. A distance is a 14 mm. Okay, and again select this point. Okay, and use this point, and this distance is a 35 mm. Okay, okay, and use a select this point, and this distance is a 88 mm. Okay, and select this line, and this is a 138 mm. Okay, and this distance is a 22 mm. Okay, and okay, and select this. Okay, and this distance is a 6 mm, and again select this distance is a 6 mm. Okay, all is perfect, and this distance is a 14 mm. This is a 47 mm is perfect, and select this point, and this line is a distance is a this distance is a 47. Okay, okay, and all is a perfect. and correct. Okay, and select this point, and this distance is 81 millimeter. Okay, okay, and this is a distance is 28 millimeter. This and perfect, and this distance is this 2, and this distance is 48 millimeter is this. Okay, and select this, and this angle is a 60-degree angle. Okay, this angle is a 60-degree angle is perfect. 60-degree angle. Okay, okay, all is perfect, and this relation, this point and this relation is a horizontal. Okay, okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined and perfect. Okay, all is correct. And guys, this is a very useful. Okay, and this is a perfect 48 millimeter, and this is a 14 millimeter, and this is a 88 millimeter, and 35 millimeter, and this is a 28 millimeter, and this is a 35 millimeter, 47 millimeter. In all geometry is a, you can see here. Okay, all geometry is a 1 by 1 is a use here this. Okay, and going to this revolve boss base, and select this axis of revolution, and then this convert a 3D body. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select this use select this face, sketch, normal, and reference line is a drawing here, this to this, and this line is a very important, and select this a pattern, and this diameter is 20 millimeter, and this distance is 112.5 millimeter is this, and pattern is 6 pattern. Okay, and this distance is not mentioned here, but this distance is 120 millimeter this. Okay, and this is perfect, and okay, this distance is mentioned here this. Okay, but this apply a thread, and then distance is 120. Okay, and use a circle drawing here this, and this is a vertical line, and this distance is this point to this is 112.5 millimeter, and this diameter is 20 millimeter. Okay, and use a X pattern or circular pattern is perfect, and select this point, and use this pattern, and pattern is 6 pattern, and equal spacing, and 360-degree angle. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and click OK, and again select going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is through all, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and whole wizard is apply here, and select this face, sketch. Okay, not mentioned, but this is a normal. Okay, and this is a normal is perfect, and going to whole wizard. Whole wizard use this a state tab, state type is perfect, and at first select this two hole. First and second two hole is a size is M24, and two hole each size is M12. Okay, and at first select this state type, and standard is ISO, and type is a bottoming tapered hole. Perfect, and size is a M24. First is M24, and blind is this, and this is a okay, and perfect and correct mention here. Okay, this is perfect. Some important point discuss here. Okay, this use a 27 millimeter, and this use a 24 millimeter is perfect, and all is correct. First is use here this 27 millimeter, and this is 24 millimeter, and size is M24, and okay, all is perfect. And going to position, and this is a sketch normal. Okay, and drawing a reference line. Reference line is perfect drawing here, because this use a mid plane. Okay, select this line and press a control button and select this point and use a mid plane. Okay, and all is perfect, and dimension is mentioned here. This is a 120 millimeter. Okay, 120 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this use a point and automatic. This is a okay, first point and second. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a not thread is mentioned here, and again select going to this option, document properties and detailing, and this check here a shaded cosmetic thread, then automatic select this thread is showing here. Okay, this thread is showing here easily and clearly. Okay, and perfect. And again select going to this whole wizard, and this going to M12 size is a M12. Again select a state type, a standard is ISO, and bottoming tapered hole, and size is M12. M12 is a perfect. Okay, and this is a and this is a perfect. Okay, this use of 15, and this use a 12. Okay, and this line is this 15 millimeter, and this is a 12 millimeter, and also perfect. And going to this okay some important point. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a perfect and correct, and size is M12, and all is perfect. And going to option, and this select this and the normal. Okay, and going to a reference line, drawing here this to this, and this line I press a control button and select this point, and this is a mid plane, and dimension is a 88 millimeter is perfect. This is a 88 millimeter is perfect. And going to this point, and both side is the first point and second point. Okay and okay. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This thread is also this, and apply this brush. Okay, all is mentioned here this. Okay, all point is discussed here. All point is discussed here easily and clearly. And okay guys, this is a mention here 138 millimeter is this radius, and then 226 millimeter diameter is same, and 22 millimeter, and this is a same here, and 6 millimeter is also same here, and this 138 millimeter, and this diameter is a 276 millimeter. This radius is 88 millimeter, this diameter is a 176 millimeter, and this 28 millimeter is radius, then diameter is a 56 millimeter is same. Okay, all is perfect. All dimension is you can see here. Okay, and isometric view is this. Okay, and back side is this is a perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, and guys, all point is discussed here one by one, all is correct. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.